How to add music on Messenger Notes. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to add music to your Messenger Notes but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on the chat section, tap on your note option, then tap on the music icon. You can either browse through the list or search for the music of your choice. Let's use the search feature. Tap on the search bar, search by the music name. Once you have found your desired music, tap on it. Now drag the blue box to the best part of the music you want to keep. If you are satisfied with the part of the music, then tap down to confirm it. Currently, you cannot post just music. You will need to enter text on your note. As you can see, I have not added text and the share option has not turned blue. So let's enter text or an emoji. Finally, tap share and boom, you have successfully shared a messenger note with music. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.